I guess we're probably all the same. You get something new, you want to open the packet, you want to see how it all works. And well, I had to put the oven on and leave it 10 minutes, and then I had to put lunch in the oven and leave it 15 minutes. So I opened the packet for this sweet little garage, and I was very good. I didn't open any glue. It is laser cut, as we come to expect with laser cut parts. You know, computer generated. The laser runs round the material that it's cutting. Everything fits beautifully. It would take 10 minutes to build this, tops. They're the doors and the windows for downstairs. There's a sheet of clear plastic which is to go on the inside of the windows. And there is some wonderful, wonderful window frames in the front of the building. So I dry assembled this, and very shortly I'm going to knock it all apart, because the first thing that becomes very apparent when this is built, you're going to be able to see inside, which means I really ought to build an inside for this building, which of course isn't part of the kit. It never suggested that it was. You know, I was under no illusion about that, although it was something I hadn't thought about. So there it is. It fits together beautifully. It has pieces to go on and cover this, so that you don't get this sort of the construction signs on it. Absolutely lovely. But before gluing it together, I think I need to build some little desks and filing cabinets, and I don't know, what would a 1950s French garage have on the wall? Would it have a Pirelli calendar? Have any of you got a Pirelli calendar from 1952 about that big that I can put on the wall in there? But there we are. Delightful.